Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add an image background into your text using Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC version or desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To get started, simply click apps, then click design essentials. So you can scroll down and try to find font frame. Vibrant text with image backgrounds. Add an image background to your text by uploading an image or selecting an image from your design. Change the font, adjust the image placement, and more. You can click use any design for practicing and wait for a moment, and here we go. So here you can try to add text here, for example a neon, or just use caps lock. Now here you can try to select your font style. Let's try the this one, and next you can try to align center, right or left, but we can try it later. Letter spacing, line spacing, and here we go. This is the frame border, so you can adjust the weight here, the border white, and also you can try to recolor. And here if you want to change the image, you can click choose file and choose your image here. Let's try this one, and here we go. Now you can reposition by double click, or this one, and try to zoom out if you want, and just simply add to design. So here we go. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.